One of the nice features about Arete is that it does have this really high quality H13 medical grade HEPA filter. Now, for those of you that are used to our low energy range of dehumidifiers, if you compare the filter on this with 20 litre low energy, it's actually 75% larger if we look at the height, the width and the depth of the filter, plus it's a better quality HEPA filter. Now you can have the machine quite close up to the wall to save space as I have here, but you can access the filter without having to turn the machine around. There's a little finger notch on the side of the filter frame. That will slide out, and even though I don't actually have a huge amount of space here, it's quite easy to get the filter out. So this is the HEPA filter here. When you're fitting it, tabs stick out facing you, so it makes it much easier to get the filter out. So that's the actual filter itself. This is the filter frame. In here, built into the frame, is a dust filter. Have a look at that every couple of weeks and just give it a little bit of a gentle wash. You can do so, for example, with a hoover without causing any damage. And you don't have to replace that, you just have to keep that clean. Around the edge of the actual HEPA filter itself, there's a little bit of a sponge which gives a seal so that no air can leak around the edge. To insert into the frame, have it with the tabs facing you to make it easier for it to come in and out. Once this HEPA filter turns dark grey, that's when you throw it away because it's clogged up with dirt. And then to replace this back into the machine, it's just got a couple of sliders. In it goes, so you can access the filter and do your maintenance without having to turn the machine around or move it away from where you've got it in situ.